Girls, welcome to day 5, our last day of arts and crafts from Compassion Camp. So here's Miss Chris again, giving you the directions for our crafts. So today is Compassion gives us a fresh start so that we can joyfully gather together. So what I'm going to show you again is our coloring page. It's showing we can gather together with the world right here. Again, this should be on the last page of your book. It'll fit perfectly, so you're going to cut it out along the dotted line. Once again, you may have colored it already. If not, you can do that now. And your book will be complete. So you'll get your glue back out. Whichever way you're doing it, put some glue on the back. And once we get this all done, your book will be complete. So we have it here. You're going to see the pages from the days before. So again, you should have day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, and finally, which really is kind of like the very back, on the bottom right hand side, you'll put this last picture right here. Okay, so once again, you can get some crayons or markers, whatever you'd like, stickers, and kind of decorate the top there, and your book will be complete. Okay, so one thing you may have heard from your teachers earlier today was talking about how the people needed rest and renewal to kind of move forward. So one thing we talk about when we are getting a fresh start is you're kind of starting over. So maybe any anger you were holding on to or any feelings you were holding on to, you kind of let them go and have a fresh start. So one thing we're going to talk about that kind of show a fresh start is kind of planting seeds. Now I'm sure you've done this before. Maybe you even did it with your families, in the springtime. And now maybe you have a vegetable garden where things are growing. So one thing you're going to find in your bag, or you're going to have a little planter here, a pot. You're going to have a bag of soil. Okay. You're going to have some seeds. And we're going to give you guys, they're called baby pea seeds. So you're going to be growing those. The last thing you're going to need is some water. So we won't have water in your bag for you. You're going to have to get water from your house. So make sure you have a parent or an adult help you for the younger ones. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is open up your soil. And you're going to just kind of carefully, try not to make a big mess. Make sure maybe having somebody help you. Pour it in, as I'm making a mess right now. Okay, so almost to the top. The whole bag might not fit. I'm going to kind of leave a little bit of room there. Okay, so if you can kind of see how far I left it about. You should have your ruler from earlier this week. And you only want to go about 1 inch deep. That's how you're going to know where to bury your seeds. So you're going to kind of put your ruler in about 1 inch deep. Okay, you can kind of I'm going to show you in a minute, make a little, move your soil around. Here's where you can get your fingers dirty. To about 1 inch deep. So you're going to have a little hole in the middle there. I don't know if you can tell, but your parents can help you, whoever you're with can help you. So you're going to pick 4 of your seeds. Okay, and you're going to place them in there each 1 inch deep. So we're going to pull this out so it's out of the way. Okay, 1. We're going to spread them out a little bit. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so once you have your seeds in, then you need to kind of take your soil and cover them up again. So that you can't see them anymore. So see, your seeds are covered. Okay, and the last thing you need to do is some water. So you don't want to put too much water. You don't want to drown them out. It's kind of released. You want to make sure you have enough. So I'm going to pour some water in there. Let it kind of soak into the soil.
Do it every day.
And then you'll just add some water every day. And you also want to put this near a light source. So remember, put it maybe on a windowsill or somewhere where you're going to have some sun reaching it. And eventually, you'll be able to see it sprouting. And remember, showing renewal, okay, and a fresh start each day, just like your seeds in your cup. And just how each day you have a fresh start. Hope you enjoyed our crafts. Have a good day.